You're here to hear about the Thailand myocarditis study.
Now, a new preprint from researchers in Thailand showed
There is a safety signal. We have to take that seriously and think about ways to mitigate it.
the study looked at 301 teens between the ages of 13 and 18, studied their hearts before vaccination and after vaccination.
And what this study finds in this prospective analysis is that the rate of myocarditis in boys is roughly 3.5%. What does all this mean? It means that this is very likely to be, I think, a real signal. What is the exact magnitude? I don't know. I think it needs replication. In fact, the people who should be doing it is Pfizer. It's a post-marketing commitment, and we need them to put that data out there fast, and the FDA should enforce that. In fact, Pfizer can put it out as a press release tomorrow if they so chose. There's no reason that that should be delayed.
Joining us now to discuss is Dr. Peter Muchulough. He is an internist, cardiologist, and epidemiologist.
They use state-of-the-art technology. They use the Roche high-sensitivity troponin T assay, the blood test that we use in the United States. They used GE high-quality ultrasound or echo, electrocardiograms, and in those who had abnormalities, they did cardiac MRI. So they did it every bit as good as we've done in the United States. 29% had cardiovascular symptoms without damage, including, their heart racing, palpitations, and chest pain. The FDA asked the companies for data that's cohort. This is called a prospective cohort study. And here it is. We have to wait from Bangkok, Thailand to get the answer, and it's not good.
What we don't know is how much of the iceberg is hidden. How many kids in this age group have subclinical myocarditis?
This subclinical is very, very important. That means American children who are getting the vaccine, some of them have no symptoms, yet they're sustaining heart damage.
How many people are you going to put in jeopardy? Because if this is what's going on, right, it is almost certainly true that there's some period of time over which you are maximally vulnerable, right? And that there's a way, even if you've had this damage, that you could rationally approach your life that would reduce the chances that you don't survive. And the problem is, if you tell people it had nothing to do with the vaccine that you also got, then they will not have the rational response, which is there anything I can do?
Can I mitigate the risks to myself, or is that not part of a public health policy?
Right, exactly.
Really?